course.
Can you give us a quick intro of who you are and what you do?
Yeah, for sure. So I do a couple of things. But my main role right now is co-founder at a company called Vennity, which is a digital collectibles platform focused on the real world. So doing geolocated collectibles, challenges, gamified experiences, scavenger hunts, collectibles tied to real world events, and really just using gamification in the real world as a way to onboard people into the NFT ecosystem and into Web3.
What is the second hat that you wear that you mentioned?
Yeah, so I'm also a core team member at ETH Chicago, which is similar to ETH Denver.
But Chicago.
But in Chicago, we had our first conference last year. We had 500 people turn out. We did a hackathon, $25,000 in bounties at that hackathon. We're gearing up for version 2.0 soon, hashtag soon.
Yeah.
So I run the newsletter for ETH Chicago, and I also just hustle around and promote the brand here and other places.
Very interesting. You are everywhere, and we're so happy to have you here. So
Thanks.
I just want to ask, with so many solutions that you guys are providing with the different hats that you wear, I want to know what kind of impact do you wish to make in the NFT space? What footprint do you want to leave?
Yeah, our mission statement, our company's mission statement is to bring NFTs to the masses, to bring digital collectibles to the masses. So the goal is really mass adoption, and it's to build products that are fun and hide the technology in the background so that you can just focus on having a good time with the tech. And it just so happens that you're doing stuff on blockchains and you're now a Web3 user without even realizing it.
How do you plan to do that? I think that's a key thing, like getting people to interact with it without them realizing. How do you plan on doing that with Vennity?
Yeah, so we do it by making it look just like a regular app and making it super easy to use. Don't worry about having a wallet, gas fees, all that stuff.
Yeah.
Just focusing on a great user experience. And then obviously with the ETH Chicago, it's through education, right? We do the events, we do the newsletter. The whole idea is to bring that stuff to like Web2 normies.
Yeah.
and teach them about, the basics of how this tech works.
That is awesome. You are doing so many awesome things. And how can people connect with you if they want to work with you or just learn more about what you do?
Yeah, personally, I'm on socials, Twitter, Vavesaon.
Yes.
That's my first and last name. Very, very old school normie
very
approach.
Unique. Yeah.
Yes. Nobody's going to copy that one.
For sure.
Maybe if I get popular enough, there'll be some spam accounts. But also, I'm on Farcaster, kingyam.eth. That's my ENS.
Yes.
And then connect with Vennity, Vennity Official on Instagram, Twitter. And ethchicago.xyz is the website if you want to come join us for the next conference.
That is awesome. Thank you so much again for making time. And welcome again to NFT NYC.
Great to be here.
Bye.